The Czech Republic is a global powerhouse of advanced manufacturing. Now we're here at TGS, an engineering firm based in the Czech Republic that is full of the latest innovation. Oh wow, look at this.
Welcome in our playground. Well, we have more of 100 people, and interesting is all of them are machine tool enthusiasts.
Really?
Yeah.
The whole fair this week is about five-axis machining.
Yeah.
What a place to start. I mean, a Barmia machine, a great example of a very flexible five-axis machine. Then you've got a turning centre, you've got a machining centre, you've got a robot, you've got a draw system, very diverse automation offering. And all of this comes from the intelligence of the skills that, you know, the 100+ employees that TGS have here within their business.
Pavel is a great visionary person. He has a lot of fingers in different pies, but he's a sort of person that sees the future and, you know, lead the team really well to the right directions.
I think very special thing about TGS is that they are more into processes, not only the products, but they are thinking about the processes, about the machining and the production and everything. I think the TGS is very special and the best in this field in Czech Republic.
Pavel, just to kind of close this off, what would you like the world to know that you're doing here at TGS and that you do it well?
There are a lot of different needs on the world to produce parts, to take the idea and create it, the physical part out of it. And we are using technology to make it, to help the companies or the owners of the product to make it happen. That's our job.